I will just tell you, in a short way, what is repeatability. If I am measuring a part multiple times, do you think all my readings will be same? Because the part is same, and you want me to measure it 10 times. Do you think I will give you all 10 readings one and same? Yes or no?
No, sir. No.
No, it won't happen, isn't it? And so you can see inconsistency in me. Same way, whoever is measuring, right? The data collector, when you ask him to measure the part multiple times, most of the time, all of you are taking multiple readings. I know in your college, school also, any laboratory data you collect 3 times. Why? Because you wanted to be more accurate, and so you collect 2-3 readings.
To reduce the error.
Yes, to reduce the error. That's the why we prefer to collect data in subgroup, and then we use the average, for our findings and conclusion. That is the beauty of average. Average will reduce your error, and so your predictions can be better. And now the inconsistency exhibited by an appraiser while measuring the same part multiple times is called repeatability error. If he is very consistent, then he is considered to be repeatable. Now, can one of you read out the statement written here?
Repeatability is the consistency of a single appraiser to measure the same part multiple times with the same measurement system. It is related to the standard deviation of the measured values.
Okay, thank you, Gajendra. So Gajendra is telling it is related to the standard deviation of the measured value. Suppose imagine you are asking me to measure a particular part, right? So I have a part, let's say I have a pen. You want me to measure the length of this pen. So I am measuring. I'm measuring 10 times. All 10 times I'm giving you the same reading. Whether my reading is correct or not, accurate or not, that is not the job now. You are only checking me whether I am giving the 10 readings one and same or not. If I give you all 10 readings as exactly same, now when you calculate the standard deviation, what will be the answer?
It will be 0.
Zero.
When standard deviation
will
is
be
zero, when standard deviation is zero, I am repeatable. But when my standard deviation is increasing, means what? I am committing repeatability error. Am I right?
Yes.
So standard deviation gaining value. No, the standard deviation needs to be calculated from your data, the measured data. And if the standard deviation gains value, that is a representative of the repeatability error. Now all of you understand it is related to the standard deviation of the measured value.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So now I have, let's say I have collected 100 reading. I myself collected 100 reading. All my 100 reading will have an average. You are seeing here in a black color line. And now half of my readings are on the left side. Half of my readings will be on the right side. This is what called normal distribution. And measurement error always follow normal distribution, right? And so my distribution goes like this. Now how many data formed the distribution? 100. With the 100 data points, I will be able to calculate what could be the measurement error my system may commit, particularly what could be the repeatability error my measurement system may commit, for which I will calculate the standard deviation. 100 data, you can calculate standard deviation. That is called repeatability sigma repeatability. Once sigma repeatability is understood, using the sigma, I can predict the future, right? What could be the total error? I'll teach you slightly later. And now you see on the right side, I'm showing you two graphs. One is black in color, another one is red in color. Let us say black is from gauge A and red is from gauge B. Which gauge is more repeatable? Gauge A or gauge B?
Gauge
Gauge A.
Why? The standard deviation in
The
gauge
standard
A
deviation
is
is
low.
low.
Very good, very good. So this is how you can perfect your reading, right? And we will see everything once again. And now one more statement. Can somebody help me by reading it out?
Sir, for just a minute, sir. For repeatability, then we have to what we have to do is that we have to use the equipment on the master sample, isn't it?
No. You don't have to use it on the master. It can be any piece, but the same part should be measured again and again. That's all.
Okay,
If
understood.
you use the master, you are measuring, you are checking the accuracy.
That's what I wanted to convey. Same part. Okay.
Yeah. Now we are checking the precision, not the accuracy.
Sir, same part, same environment, and same
Same
place should be
part,
there.
Same operator, same gauge, same instruction, same environment, but reading will still differ. This is called repeatability error.